We get some morning snuggles, right, buddy? I gotta go work in half an hour, but we get some morning snuggles. Definitely a good day for snuggling. Alright, obviously I'm done with work for the day, but I decided to wrap some presents for my aunt since I am going to be seeing her tomorrow. But I'll explain that in the next clip after I wrap these presents. I know today wasn't much of a vlog. Saw me with Kona early this morning getting snuggles. Of course, did the workflow, the normal 8 to 5 or 8 to 4:30 in my case, but did that. Got home. Well, I didn't get home after work. I went and picked up groceries. Then I had to pick up medications. Then by the time I got home, made dinner. I just tired. I think with all the Christmas goodies and then running around, starting to feel bleh, if you know what I mean. So that's the exciting day today. I did wrap a present for my aunt. I'm gonna be meeting her after work tomorrow. Actually working out at noon for Christmas Eve, and gonna go meet up with her for lunch real quick since I didn't get to see her on Saturday at the family Christmas party. And that's about it. So I got that all wrapped up for her, ready to go. And I think for Christmas Eve, after that, we're gonna go to Dave's cousin's house, to Dee's house, have Christmas dinner, including my dad. My dad's coming along too. And that's gonna be Christmas Eve. Oh, I can't believe it's the 23rd already. Like I said in the other vlog, time's going by too quick. And I think that's half my problem. Because I got presents, I'm looking at them, I got presents to wrap. That might be after I get back from lunch with my aunt tomorrow. That might be that project because I really don't have the ambition right now to do them. And just time for some reason this month it was such a big issue. I don't know why, but it's life. It is what it is. Even tonight I had the ambition, or not the ambition, the thought process. I was gonna make sugar cookies. Just kind of plopped on the couch and just relaxed, and before you know it, it's 9 p.m. and that's what it is right now. So chances are I'm probably not doing the sugar cookies tonight. I'm not gonna have the time tomorrow to do them, but it is what it is. I know I already said that before, but or maybe I'll get a little bit of gusto here and make them, but we'll see. I can't even find cookie cutters. I don't know if I even have cookie cutters for the sugar cookies, but that's got me thinking. Maybe I'll look for them and I'll come back to you guys. Hold that thought. Come to think about it, I do have cookie cutters. I thought I did. Maybe I will. Stay tuned. Maybe the next clip, maybe I'll get stuff together.
Here is what I used to make the sugar cookies. 2 1/2 cups of flour, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter softened, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg, and of course sprinkles.
Now it's almost 11 o'clock. Yeah, I decided to make them. They came out good. I'm tired. As you could tell, I'm tired. But I just felt like making them, just have them for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So, guys, thank you so much for watching today. It's kind of like an oddball one, but it's life. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and we will see you in the next vlog. Good night, guys.